you believe me if I told you it's just a 2.3?
That's so massive.
I don't know.
Baby, show me.
Welcome back to another video. Today's video should be quite interesting because it's oh crap, sunlight, that's bright. Anyway guys, so today's video should be interesting. There's a car show going on over in a local city that is ran by the police office. The cops are hosting a car meet. So I'm gonna put the GoPro on here in a moment. We're gonna watch this thing because you can't already tell this thing is absolutely disgusting. Like that in particular has been driving me nuts. It's been in that little mini shoot I did. That has been in every single picture and it's driving me crazy. So my friend Josh is gonna be coming up here maybe less than a month's time, and we're gonna be redoing all these headlights because you can kind of see in this lighting the coating is coming off of that one. And there's been condensation issues with both of these headlights for the entirety of the time I've had them. So this one's also starting to have the coating come off. So what we're probably gonna do is tear them all apart, reseal them all, take all the condensation out, and redo them all with that custom DRL I was talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go pop the GoPro on, get everything set up, and we're gonna wash this thing up and get ready for the show. Alright guys, truck is all clean and ready to go. Only problem is my hose decided it wanted to shower me in water because the AutoZone cheapo hose doesn't seal with the Patterson car care foam cannon. So it wound up blasting me with water at the back of the hose. So now my clothes are soaked. Thank goodness it's hot out today and it'll just evaporate off my clothes. But it's still annoying because I really don't like getting my clothes wet. So I just gotta go fix my hair back again from the GoPro, just destroying it. Hopefully it got all that because it was quite hot out there. And this is pretty warm right now, just holding this. So this is somewhat the case. I broke this little corner up the case somehow, and now it like sits like this. It still works. Obviously I've been filming lots of videos with it, but that's what's happened with that. I've got my Game Boy Advance with me because we're gonna go to Hayden's house and try to experiment with it a little bit with one of the games I have. So not like y'all care if this is not my gaming channel, but Lola has once again entered the vlog. She just loves being on camera, I guess now. She used to hate it back when we first moved here. She couldn't stand when I pulled the camera out on her. And now anytime I film, she comes down here. So I gotta go fix this up. Probably gonna take her out one last time. We're meeting up the new guys on his way here. So Hayden and I, we're gonna meet up at the show with him. It's gonna be a fun afternoon. Yeah, so I don't know what else we have planned. I gotta go pick up a Father's Day gift for my dad. So he already know what it is when he sees it, me pick it up in this video. But with all that said, guys, I'll catch up to you guys when we get to the show.
It's a great sound when you hear the place almost revving, but you know they're just trying to move.
Man, that red one sounds good.
Yeah.
That's why I need an LS in my life.
No, go park with my Corvette. Yeah.
Your silver one?
Yeah. Well, to an extent. I really like this.
Okay. Oh, dang, look at this lineup. Oh, there's a Cobra. Alright, I'm gonna have to go over there in a second.
We're looking at we're looking at close.
Look at the brakes on the ZR1.
Exactly. Look. Like if I put my head next to it, it's like bigger than my head.
The brake rotor is bigger than your whole body. It needs an F20. It needs the Honda motor. That's different. Don't most Vipers have red valve covers? Not blue?
I don't really know where I care. I know we need VTEC.
Yeah,
that's right.
Is that the carbon roof? Oh, that's on both ZR1s. And those brake rotors are bigger than your head.
Bigger than my dick too. That's so hard to do.
Right.
Now.
It needs to put it in track mode. That was extremely quiet mode.
Yeah. Oh, these things have valves on the exhaust?
The 18s do.
I wonder if I give this guy, like one of these guys, like $20 for to give me a ride.
Maybe. Heck, shoot, I'll join in. I'll give him 40. LS9.
No rumble of a V8. I want to put this in my car.
Did I tell you how much an LS9 costs from Chevy? It's 20 grand for just the engine. We're in Hayden's section now. I like this though, this convertible side pipes. Oh gosh, this is gonna be loud.
I really like those new Corvettes.
Yeah, the C7. Hey, there's a C7 down there we're gonna get to in a minute. Auto?
Automatic. Wait, did they put bigger paddle shifters on it?
I don't know.
I lost it. There's nothing automatic. Nope.
It's like Josh's car, but with the V8.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, Whipple GT500? That definitely looks like a 2.3 or something like that. Not a 2.3. Maybe a 2.3, I don't know. Because I know what the Whipple 4-liter looks like. That's definitely not one.
Stick boat right there. Ooh, crypto green.
What's this C6 got right here? He's got the C7 lights on it too. Looks like just a really clean car.
1320. Oh, look at this on the inside of the hood.
Oh,
That's really nice.
that's definitely airbrush.
Shake and bake.
Huh?
It's a shake and bake.
Yes, Talladega Nights
Shake
reference.
Shake and bake, baby.
Yeah. Dang. All right, now we're talking for me.
Yeah, I like this. This is a new edge, right?
Yep. Right.
I was looking at an orange one at one point.
Look how big that blower is. Would you believe me if I told you it's just a 2.3?
Why is it so massive?
I don't know. I wonder if VMP's gonna do a Gen 3R for these. That'd be sweet. But this is like my ultimate. This is like my attainable dream car.
I just can't do the shifter, man.
Yeah, the shifters are garbage.
I cannot do the shifter. There was a guy selling an orange one that had like, I know it was like 180,000 miles. Like, he's selling it for like $5,000.
Yeah, I pointed him out earlier.
I'm getting brake calipers bigger than my whole life.
Oh, Roush. Where's Michael when you need him? Because he'll say relish if he sees this.
There's a
6th Gen ZL1 in Krypton green.
No!
Auto as well. At least it's got the 10-speed, right? Hayden is disappointed now.
Almost the perfect car.
Because isn't the Krypton your favorite color the 6th gens came in?
Oh yeah.
They look at the taillights. Such a cool car. Well, check out the C7. It's even blue.
It hurts my soul a little bit.
Is it auto as well?
Hey, but this one's called... It's like somebody shot me in the stomach. Blu-ray. This is Blu-ray.
Is that for PlayStation 3? Alright, no one got my joke. Okay.
I got your joke. It wasn't funny whatsoever.
Yeah. We know this guy. He lives out towards us.
He's back? Yeah, bag.
And it's Stick Boy. Trying to find his little Instagram sticker. Oh, there it is. There it is. Here's for my dad. Here's some for my dad, because I know he loves this kind of stuff. So there is another import here. This is it. Chop top. Oh, I just realized it's chop top. How can you see it? It's like Camaro level visibility. Because that's just fact, his seats are like way down. Oh, the fans. You kind of need those when you have an old Bug.
I like this thing. Looks like it makes it like one and a half.
Yeah, it's got like a little it's got like a baseball cap on.
Alright, sorry for the delay. Before we get
GTO?
started, my name's Chad, huh?
Oh, that C2 sounds good. Oh yeah, he can totally
He's ready.
Here comes the Layup. This thing is huge.
It probably weighs about 18 tons, but it's beautiful.
Man, look at that C7.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Oh, hey, and there comes that ZL1. Man.
There goes the Grinch. Should have won.
This is the ZL1. I'm glad that Jason won his category. That's kind of cool. Oh, get the photo.
God, I wish I had either one of those.
Oh, the C7's coming with. All the C2's gonna be right after Michael too. Yeah, sure.
Let's do a burnout.
A big blanket stuff. Yeah,
Those are like the old classic cars, Brembos.
pretty much.
Yeah.
And then we'll look at my car.
Buy them.
I'll see them driving down the road with them on, and I'm looking at the Brembo like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
See the Jason there is now.
I'm curious to hear this symphony when they leave. This is gonna be nice. All to America. Are you ready to hear all the bald eagles when everyone's leaving? Cletus would be proud.
Hey, you alright down there?
Hey.
See the impressive traffic coming in? It's like, wait. These are my people. I must be.
Okay, the blue C7 is turning out now. Or the green ZL1 is too. Oh, you can hear it.
You can't hear anything with that guy.
Yeah, that thing's loud. Oh, I hear the C7 ripping. We'll go Michael here in a second. There you go.
One thing I like about car shows is most of the people that have nice cars know how to drive.
Yeah.
Most people.
Unless they're Mustangs.
Ooh, that C2 sounds good.
And then there's always that guy with the McLaren that runs over a car.
Yeah. Gosh darn, that C2 is loud.
Good boy.
Last winner.
You hear him scraping the side.
Oh, here comes the Viper, too. The Viper's coming. And so is Lady 5.0. And a big old truck. Another classic
I
vet.
love that.
That was a Viper. That thing is so cool.
I was trying to ask him last night if he tracks it, but then I see the sticker where it says just track it over all the white tape.
It still sounds so good.
I ain't looking at what it sounds. I ain't listening to it. I ain't listening to it. I'm looking at it.
They just so quiet. That black Z06 is getting ready to rip too. Oh, there she goes.
That kid looks so unimpressed in there.
Man, that C6 looks so good.
I like these things so good.
big.
I thought Fairlanes were a lot smaller. Okay. Holy balls.
What bad? That the whole thing shakes.
Yeah. Well, that was pro charged, I hear it.
I saw something about people revving and this happens.
Oh, the Cobra. The Cobra. This ZR1's camming out too. The blue one. Gosh darn, I like this. I hope I can actually be loud and park in here next year now.
I don't know about that fitment.
It's so good.
I love it.
Rears are ridiculous.
Like, come over here. Look how wide.
Good shit. Good song.
Ripping it.
Yeah, she was going.
All the GTO over there.
I really want this yellow Cobra though.
Yeah.
Come on. Ooh, that thing sounds good. I love Cobras. Someone just donate me a Cobra, that'd be fantastic. Yeah, it does. Oh, man. They set up the SWAT car's car alarm. Nice. I love that. Gosh, that Chevelle, he's out.
Yeah, he's hard.
I love that. They set the SWAT car off. Ah, I want it.
I have it.
I'm going to a little bit bigger. Gosh darn, the GTO's loud. Jeez, I love them. Oh yeah, I'm totally coming back next year.
You know, when it was the quiet, laid back.
All the classics, it was so quiet. There goes that orange C6. Maybe. Man, sounds good. That thing sounds so good.
It's a beautiful color.
He
Oh,
bought
it's
it.
new.
Look at the Humvee. This thing is huge. I want it. I got a little scared. I heard him spinning. I was like, oh no, please no.
Like your heart drops from this. Like you check the look.
Not the
it's like,
dream
oh,
car.
he's amazing.
Not the dream car. That or a Supra, if I ever see spin out and big crashing, I'm gonna be really sad. Alright guys, so we just got back. You probably noticed him in the background of a lot of videos today. This is our new friend Marshall. This is his 2007 Mazda Speed 3. So we're gonna let him talk over the car a little bit. But we met him at a birthday party about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, we're gonna have him in we're gonna start having him in a little bit more videos. We're just kind of adding him to the new group and all that stuff. Because like I said in a previous video, I mean, the whole group's gone kind of, they're going separate ways right now. But anyway, we're gonna have Marshall introduce the car to the channel. We're gonna see this a lot more often on the channel. Hopefully a lot more stuff very soon on this thing. But I'm gonna grab it off the tripod. We're gonna walk around the car a little bit. Just kind of give the whole rundown. So there's a lot involved in this car that might happen in this channel. It might even become a permanent staple. Well, no, it's already pretty much become a permanent staple of the channel, but an even more permanent staple of the channel. Hayden was with us earlier. He had to go home, so he would be in this clip as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get it off the tripod. Marshall will talk, do the full spec of this car. This thing is probably gonna become the fastest car in the group, so it's gonna be very interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna grab that tripod. We're gonna let him talk. So we're gonna start off with the cosmetics. You don't have a lot done to the car in cosmetic, right? So.
Previous owner, plastic wheels. Tried to take it off. Way too much time. I just decided when I buy new wheels, I'll buy new wheels, and I re-sprayed it back on. It's coming off. Probably about time for some new wheels, which is about to happen.
You can get some JNCs like it's just a 6 just put on the Miata. They're like $600 for the set.
Yeah, my plan is take all this carbon fiber vinyl off from the previous owner, do a red and white color scheme. So it might end up being maybe a white wing extension, which I know they do sell those. This Mazda badge that was on there from the previous owner, that'll probably get this will either get like powder coated white or just completely changed out, because the previous owner, they left a lot of this crap all over it that you really can't get off. This is either gonna go or it's gonna get powder coated white. You always see the soot everywhere. Got my Glock sticker because, you know, backfires. People have to know.
Yeah.
Again, more carbon stuff right here. Got some scrapes, but you know, stuff happens. Previous owner had this before me and did this. Planning on changing this out, getting a splitter right here. These come out, I'm gonna make those white for the white highlights. Gonna hopefully dull this out, make this the devil emblem like I have in the back. Of course, I have my banner. And that's about all I have done cosmetically. Most of it wasn't even me, to be honest.
I know most of your work's under the hood of the car.
Yeah.
Stop. About.
So, basically everything that's done on it, crappy wiring, whatever, I can fix that. I have a synapse blow-off valve. I have a cork sport inlet to go straight to the turbo. It's a cold air intake. This was pro-tuned by Cobb for a flamethrower tune. People that sold it before me took the access port with it the night before I was actually gonna buy this car. I have custom exhaust, which is very loud and very nice. I have aftermarket downpipe down in there. And it really doesn't take much to get these things going. The mod soon to come is a cork sport turbo. I'm not sure which one I'm getting. I'm working on getting the big one, the 83mm one. But I'm not really sure, because then I have to do a bunch of internal work and a bunch of stuff like that. So I don't really know if I want to do that, but it's also big turbos, lots of fun. So yeah, there's not really too much done on it, but it's just enough to make it fast.
Yeah, because you said it made what, 448, 450 to the tire?
When I purchased it, they dynoed it, and they say they dynoed it, and they say they made about 430, 440 to the wheels, which...
So you're making stock Coyote power on a turbo 4-cylinder.
Exactly. And it's still stock KO4 turbo. It is boosted to 19 pounds of boost. I think stock is 13 to 14. So I think this KO4 turbo is about to get pushed to its limits. I actually just had a buddy last night at Houston Lafayette give me his old turbo for this shot. And he replaced it with another KO4, so like it's gone.
I tried trying to snag it from him and I was gonna see if my friend Josh could rebuild it and put it in that, but apparently it's too fried. So, well, really, the more I think about it, we could probably get a KO4 for pretty cheap, couldn't you?
He said he bought one on Craigslist or eBay for like $160. So, I mean,
Josh, if you're watching this, I might be buying a KO4 soon. We're just gonna send it.
Yeah, it's a 54mm turbo. I mean,
it's pretty good. It's a little bit bigger because he was wanting to do a GT30 on mine.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit bigger than a GT30, and from what it sounds like, it's still pretty daily-able.
Yeah, at most, if you push it to its limits, it'll push 19 pounds boost. And that's about what this is pushing now, except this thing has 154,000 miles on it, and my turbo is starting to leave, and that's why I'm thinking about the Cork Sport turbo. But yeah, other than that, mostly now it's either going to be some maintenance on the engine. I don't plan on doing a lot more on it. Maybe the turbo, maybe like a front-faced intercooler instead of this top-mounted one. Get rid of this so you can actually see the head. But other than that, engine-wise, pretty much done. Then I'm going to start going into cosmetic. I'm probably going to either get some coilovers or some wheels and then go to the coilovers after the wheels, or vice versa. Just depends on what I do.
Yeah. So pretty much our plan is sometime in the next week, probably Friday if we go to boost it again. We'll probably have him back over. We'll do a ride-along video in the car because we were thinking about doing exhaust shots for this video, but this video is already pretty long, and well, at least now it is. And plus, y'all know the history of my neighbors. That guy down there will call the cops instantly. The moment this car will probably get above 2,000 RPM. So like I said, we're gonna have a full ride-along video. You guys saw in the GoPro clips, this thing is loud and it's rowdy, and there's a slight possibility this may be coming to a Hayden near you very soon. They were in talks today. They pretty much, after the car show we went to, we met up with Michael and all that. It's good seeing him again. It's been a while since we hung out with him. We went up to, I went and bought my dad's Father's Day gift, and while they were doing that, while I was doing that, they traded cars in the parking lot. So Hayden drove this car, he drove Hayden's S2000, and they both liked each other's car. So there's a very good possibility that Hayden might be the new owner of this car, and he might be the new owner of the S2000. So we'll have to see.
If that doesn't happen, though, I am getting his exhaust tip.
Yeah, he's gonna steal it, because Hayden is talking about going back to stock exhaust, leaving his catless mid pipe on, but going back to stock exhaust because the fart can's loud. Well, not fart. It's not even really a fart can, is it?
Nah, it's just like racing style.
Yeah. So yeah, this is Marshall Speed 3. We're gonna see him a lot more often on the channel. We met him through Brandon, so gotta give thanks to Brandon for that one, for inviting me and Hayden to his party. So we'll also have Brandon on the channel a lot more. He hasn't been around a lot lately because they've been working him to death, but we'll have him a lot over too.
He's got big plans for his car.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be going nuts in that car here in just a few days, probably. Maybe not a few days, a few weeks.
Yeah, a few weeks. I think he's gonna start working on it in a few weeks.
Yeah, so we're gonna see a lot of mod videos on the Integra. Probably gonna be over there a lot more, helping him out, and if not, he'll probably bring it here. So. But yeah, so I guess stay tuned to the Speed 3 build. We're probably gonna do some videos on it when he restarts modding it up. Where can they find you on Instagram?
It's Mazda_cherry pop. Cherry pop, one word.
So if you guys want to follow the car, I'll put it on screen so you guys can see it. Hopefully I remember this time. I say I put stuff on screen a lot and I always forget. But so yeah, well, if you guys want to keep an eye on the car, as long as Marshall keeps it and doesn't wind up trading with Hayden. In which case Hayden will probably, well, Hayden's Instagram's never changed ever since he had the Genesis. But anyway, so with all that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are really excited for the inclusion of the new Speed 3 to the channel. Not new Speed 3, but it's not my car, but the inclusion of the Speed 3 to the channel. It's gonna be fun. I used to want one of these. A lot of you guys I talked about in the last week's video, Why Sport Trash Kid. Hey, you almost traded mine in for one earlier this year, so I was so close. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more. Gonna have a lot of cool stuff coming this week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.
Yeah.